What's up, everybody? It's Rafi West. Rafi West here, and I wanted to talk about what's the very first thing to do when you set a goal. All right, you know, goal setting has been around through the ages. There's goal setting workshops, things like that. But the most important thing to do when you set a goal, I don't care how you do it, like write them down, carry them with you, set short term, medium term, and long term goals. You know, they teach all of that, or some of you guys may just know this if you set goals by common sense. Also, another thing they teach is, you know, make your goals known to people so they can hold you accountable, things like that. But the first step when you set a goal, any goal, is to take immediate action towards that goal. Let me try to give you a couple of examples. Let's say you set a goal for exercising, working out. Then when you write it down, immediately drop on the floor and do 20 push ups, or go running, or go for a walk. Let's say if you set a goal, let me think of another example. If you set a goal of, I want to move, I want to relocate. The minute you set the goal, after you write it down, whatever system you have, you then go and search for a place. You make a couple of phone calls, you look online for listings, you make a phone call, and you go see a place, whether you have the funds or not, whether you're ready or not. So taking a step towards that goal immediately after setting it is the point that I'm getting at here. Okay. Let's say you make a goal of trying to meet a partner or getting females or a female that very night, that very day. Go out that evening. Could be to a club, a bar. Could be if it's in the daytime. Could be a coffee shop, Barnes and Nobles, a mall, anywhere. Get dressed up, give that good first impression, um, things like that. So, the important thing to take away from this is whenever you set a goal, you do something, you take one action. It could even be small, but you take an action immediately after setting it. And what that is supposed to do is give you momentum. You know, you don't just do that one action and stop, you keep on. So, if you want to, even if you have a long range goal, long term goal, let's say, of getting a house, buying a big house, you can go to open houses, you know, immediately whenever they have them, every Sunday, let's say, or whatever it is in your area. You can contact a real estate agent. Um, sometimes they want paperwork and stuff like that, but you can go to open houses. You walk in, there's usually an agent there with a paper, whatever. So that is what you do. Okay. When you set a goal, take an immediate step that moves you towards it, big or small, and then continue from there. So that is my success tip. Um, yeah, I was just thinking about this, and not necessarily the whole resolution thing, because it doesn't have to be a new year for you to make resolutions. It could happen anytime. It could be the middle of August or January 1st, but the goals are the same, or the steps are the same. Take immediate action when you make a goal towards that specific thing that you are chasing after. All right. So get after it. We all have stuff we want to do. Um, a couple of things I want to do in 2019. Not all is financial. I want to double down on spending time with people who I allow into my social circle. good people, those that are experiencing lesser traits of narcissism, Machiavellianism, psychopathism, and anxiety. So, yeah, that's one of mine. Let me know some of yours. What are yours, and give examples down below on what goals you have and what is one immediate action step that you can take towards that specific goal. All right. Anyway, that's it for now, you guys. Hopefully, I will see you soon. This is Rafi West. Take care, everybody. Peace.